Why a programmer needs to know the basics of computing. Well, computing is just not code or syntax. There's so much of underlying technologies in hardware. I met someone in the past who called himself a tech lead. He comes from a computer science background, but he wasn't even aware if his Windows machine was a 32-bit machine or a 64-bit machine. I was wondering how good of a programmer would he be if he doesn't know how his machine works, how his code is going to be executed, all that. So how to make software and the IT world interesting? I would say just know its in and outs, like how you would know your sport. I also met someone in the later time who comes from a mechanical engineering background but actually was stuck in an IT job. I would say stuck in the IT job because he didn't like the job, he didn't know how it all worked. But eventually he learned all the basics of computing and he's now happy at it and he's also good at it. So no matter which background you come from, what your educational qualifications are, if you understand the basics of computing, everything is going to get better at it. So we will start from the abstract and we'll get detailed to it. So it's better to know your alphabets first, then your grammar, then your sentences, and then write on a poetry. Exactly, that's how it works in the IT world too. So HatchMind's purpose is to make a programmer engineer as you are supposed to. So we'll start the course in abstract definitions and make it more detailed as we progress through the course so that it makes your life easier to understand and get better at it. At the end of 6 months, you will not just call yourself a programmer, but a potential architect. Now, in 6 months, you will become a full stack engineer, meaning the front end, the middleware, and the database. You will learn all three. So all these courses will be curated as individual playlists for you to focus on. HatchMind is all about how to learn versus what to learn. So let me help you reveal all the conceptions and misconceptions about computers and will make your programmer's journey quite easy. Good luck.